Life thrives, unfolding in ways that both challenge and deepen our understanding of the living world. The ocean is full of mystery, full of wonder, teeming with aquatic life uniquely adapted to thrive in dynamic waters. These incredible adaptations, honed by evolution over millennia, allow life to flourish. Through vast migrations and intricate navigation, these creatures traverse the global sea, and their world is changing as icy realms melt and warm waters rise. However, people across the world are coming together to face the challenges of climate change. Our actions, our choices, will determine the future of aquatic life on this planet. And together, we will ensure that life thrives in the waters of our world. Life, like the dynamic Pacific white-sided dolphins.
Dolphins live in freshwater or saltwater? If you think the answer is freshwater, let's do the applause on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright. And if you think the answer is saltwater, it's your turn to make some noise. Ready? 1, 2, 3. The Pacific Island dolphins live in saltwater. Now, let's take a look at the range up on the map. The range extends from the North Pacific, around Japan, up to the Bering Sea, and down to Baja, California, in Mexico. These dolphins have adapted to the cooler waters of our planet. Now, let's take a look at why they're so successful in these waters. One of the ways these dolphins have adapted to the North Pacific is through their unique coloration known as counter-shading. Their backs are dark gray, and their underbellies are bright white. When viewed from below, their white bellies blend in with the sunlight high above the water. And when viewed from above, their backs blend in with the dark ocean depths. Counter-shading helps them evade predators or sneak up on their next meal. Now, let's watch as the dolphins show off their counter-shading as only dolphins can. Aren't just for show. They're key to the survival of the North Pacific. Now, let's dive a bit deeper into their astonishing abilities. Pacific white-headed dolphins are one of the fastest species of dolphins on the planet. Their speed is essential for catching food and evading predators, making it a vital ability for their survival. To achieve such feats, their bodies have adapted to the challenges of their ocean cold. Their sleek, streamlined bodies help them to come through the water quickly. Their dorsal fin gives them stability as they swim through the water. And they use their control fins for steering and movement. Their rubble, the reason it starts behind their dorsal fin and flattens out the two halves of their flukes, generates powerful which propel them through the water quickly. Now, here's a final question for you. Do dolphins have belly buttons? If you think the answer is yes, let's see about your bellies. What do you think? The belly buttons? See a lot of belly buttons going on out there? That's right. Just like you, me, and most mammals, dolphins have belly buttons. And it's not the only thing they share in common with us. They also give live birth. And like all mammals, other dolphins produce milk to feed their calves. In fact, a dolphin's belly button is a reminder of their time as a calf, when they were connected to their mothers through the umbilical cord, just like human babies. So even though dolphins live in the water and we live on land, we have so much in common. For instance, we both need a healthy environment in order to flourish. So considering the challenges dolphins face is crucial. For the Pacific life of the dolphins, the vast ocean isn't just water. It's their home. Islanders and islands. But now they're up against two major challenges in waters. And if ocean temperatures continue to rise due to climate change, Pacific life of the dolphins may need to search for food in different places or at different times, making it difficult for them to get enough to eat. They also face dangers from plastic pollution, like getting caught out of an fishing nets or eating plastic by accident. So, here's some ways that we can all make a difference. The biggest step we can take is to speak up. We can encourage our leaders and policymakers to prioritize measures that will slow down the devastating effects of climate change and plastic pollution. We can also choose to ride bicycles or carpool. We're not just saving our gas, we're also going to slow down carbon emissions. And let's not forget about plastics. By opting for reusable bags and containers, we can help keep plastic pollution out of our oceans, lakes, and rivers. Every small action counts. We are the hope out here.